So let's start with this Pharmacy VFX Pro Primer. It's quite similar to the Maybelline Baby Skin. Makes the skin so smooth. This much. Don't forget the under eyes. So let the primer set for a while. During that time, I'm going to do my eyebrows with this Essence 24-hour eyebrow pomade pencil, which is waterproof. It says it's waterproof. Let's do it. Now I'll be using this Essence Stay All Day Concealer to clean my eyebrows. Now I'll be using the same concealer from Essence to prime my eyelids. Let's take this small beauty blender to blend the concealer. Okay, so this one is new. I'm going to wet this blender with this setting spray from Essence Instant Matte Setting Spray. It looks so white. Now I'm going to set the concealer with a neutral tone eyeshadow. I'll be using this cute little palette from Essence. It's called the Million Nude Faces, and it's written beautiful, beautiful. Let's open this up. I'll be using this shade right here to set my eyelids. Set. We need to set the concealer to make it stay in place all day long. And now we'll be moving towards the eye makeup. Today I'm going to do the super natural glam makeup look. You can use this makeup look for any occasion. You can use it for a birthday party, you can use it for a meeting, you can use it for your office. I mean, you can use it for anything, in any dresses, any outfits. Okay, so let's start with this shade right here. It's kind of like a nudist pink shade. Okay. I'll be using the Real Technique brush. Let's start. Okay. We are going to pack this eyeshadow right in the crease. This is the first time I'm using this palette, and the pigmentation is good. blend it. Just take a little amount at a time and blend it from the outer corner to the inner corner along the crease line. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Make sure eyeshadow is well blended. Okay, so I think it's blended enough. Now I'll be using this shade right here. With the same brush, I'm going to pack this color in my outer V right here. I'll be dragging this onto my crease line towards the inner corner, like this. It will give some depth to your eye. Now I'm using the first color with this fluffy brush and we'll blend it all over the crease line. Make sure every shade, every eyeshadow is smoothed down, just like that. Now I'll be using this champagne color. It's a shimmer for the inner corners. It's very well pigmented. Eyes are popping. Now I'll be using the third shade from our eyeshadow. Again, right here, and then blend a little bit. One eye is done. I'm done with both of my eyes. Now I'll be doing the eyeliner with this Golden Rose Precision eyeliner. It's very easy to use. I'll be using this Extreme Curl mascara from Pharmacy. It gives super voluminous and long lashes. It's my absolute favorite. And I also like its wand. As you can see. Now let's use this Essence Soft Touch Mousse in matte beige. Okay, I'll use my mini blender to apply it over my face. Let's use this Real Technique sponge and blend it out. It's kind of full coverage, but it's too thick, maybe. let's conceal, let's highlight the under eyes. Okay. Concealer is good so far. Now I'll be contouring my cheekbones, my jawline with this Pharmacy Contour and Highlight Professional Palette. It's got the contour and highlight. Okay, let me use this brush. Now let's contour the nose. Now I'll be setting the concealer with this mattifying compact powder by Essence. Time for the blush. I'm using this Pharmacy blush, Tender Blush On in the shade 06. It's a natural peachy tone. I'm going to use this angled fluffy brush by Morphe. Peachy peachy. I love this blush. Now time for the highlight. I'm going to use the setting brush by Morphe. This is Y40 and the same Pharmacy palette. Okay. It's very subtle. It's perfect for daily basis, for day-to-day highlighting. This is so natural. This it seems so natural. Here in the Cupid's bow. I'm also going to highlight my inner corners. Okay, I'm almost done. It's time for the lips. I'm going to use the Golden Rose mini lipstick. So cute. It's in the shade 21. Use this with this cute little wand.
Hold on.
Now let me finish with this Essence setting spray. So I'm done.